Hello everyone! Today we have a really interesting project. Wood kilning technology is known for a long time, but I've never seen it used for facade decoration of fences in my city. Let's not waste any more time. These are the planks I got from my father. They were part of his former fence, so they look a bit tired. Let's try and give them another chance. I think they might be of great usage for us. First of all, we'll sand the planks and make them look nice, and then we'll see if we're actually going to use them. The very first step is sanding. It was pretty easy because the planks were already very dry. My mistake was to sand them in my garage, because afterwards I had to get rid of a huge amount of dust that covered floor and walls. I started to sand with eccentric machine, but had to switch to so-called saw because of its speed and results. So that was a dusty job, but it was worth it. Just look at the planks. You can varnish them and they look nice. But that's the effect I'd like to reach. I want this construction to look like a black cube. Our next step is kilning. It's the most interesting part. Kilning is an ancient Japanese technology which helps to reveal tree structure, but also to protect wood from insects and fire. Lifetime of kilned wood is up to 80 years. That's why it's used for decorating facades and building fences. So we decided to use this technology too. Naturally, we've got several ways of kilning. We're using a burner. Please take into consideration that the planks I'm using were already dry and whittled, and kilning was pretty fast. But if you buy new planks, it'll take you a lot longer. I like things that have its history. My father's fence was built of these planks, and I remember that I helped him build it as a teenager. We start to sand the planks when they are all kilned. Usually I use metal netting to get rid of soot, but this time I will use a cleaning bar. This dusty job goes by pretty quickly. Oh my, it could have been a nice fence. We might just try it some other time. I've got lots of new projects and ideas, so subscribe not to miss it all. After cleaning, we remove the rest of the dust with water and place the planks very carefully to let them dry. Now we can finally start decorating our barn's facade. Don't forget to place all the necessary electric cords beforehand to have light in your gazebo if you're having one. If you have lights outside your house, it'll make your outdoor evenings just delightful. I placed the first plank to state the direction. To fix the planks I chose galvanized screws. That is not a 45 degrees angle, because I decided to use planks of maximum length. Sadly, not all the planks could be used, but I'm glad I had just enough to choose from. It was quite a long process because the angles at the top and at the bottom were different and the lengths changed from plank to plank. All the planks have different widths because they've been used before. That's why we leave some space between them. Don't think that it will all be perfect, but it will make our barn special. When we reach left bottom corner, we start installing planks at right angles. By the way, the frame on this side of the barn turned out to be even, which saved me money and time. I already kilned end faces of planks because doing it afterwards is dangerous. We cut planks, leaving some extra inches to make them all even at the end. So, this wall is done. Speaking about screws, I'm not sure yet, but I might change them for screws with black tops. This wooden frame is painted with outdoor paint. That's the frame we've got. We leveled it with the help of screws. Now we are to form the gaps to make the construction hard. Having a pattern now, we cut many planks, which makes it all faster. I decided to change the direction of planks on the front side. It looks like the extent of work is not big, but it had its moments. Now it all looks pretty nice. It's time to make window frame. We cut the extra ends of planks and only have to varnish the facade. It's quite obvious that the white window frames don't look good here, so painting them and decorating the door will be one of our next projects. I decided to decorate jambs of windows with the same planks, but the planks of jambs exceed the walls, which looks nicer to me. When the facade was varnished, the color became deeper, and the dust and soot don't get dirty everything that touches the walls. So varnish all the blanks and gaps, and I'm sure that such facade will last long. Thank you for staying with us till the very end. See you later!